Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Happy International Friendship Day. International Friendship Day, created by the United Nations, is observed worldwide on July 30th to celebrate the bond of friendship. It is a day to promote friendship and community and how everyone is appreciated and observed in different cultures. This day is not to be confused with National Friendship Day, which is celebrated in the United States on February 15. How did the International Friendship Day start? The founder of Hallmark Cards, Joyce C. Hall, was the first person to suggest a day to celebrate friendship in 1930. The World Friendship Crusade introduced the idea of celebrating friendship worldwide in 1958. It was an organization whose goal was to promote peace through friendship. They lobbied for several years with the UN to officially declare July 30th as International Friendship Day. It wasn't until 2011, on July 27, that the United Nations General Assembly decided to declare July 30 as International Friendship Day. The day encourages all members states of the UN to observe Friendship Day according to their own customs and culture. It also promotes friendship between all people regardless of race, nationality, religion, or gender. How to celebrate International Friendship Day? For International Friendship Day, the United Nations promotes and encourages organizations and governments to hold community events and activities that promote friendship and bonding. Alternatively, why not call your old friends and arrange something with them? Meet them up for brunch or invite them for lunch and spend a nice day making new memories and sharing laughs. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.